Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Matic tokens from Revolut to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have both a Revolut account with Matic in it and a Crypto.com account set up. Also, double-check that you're aware of any potential fees or network changes for 2025. Things like blockchain updates can affect transfers. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your Matic balance. Tap on it and select the option to withdraw or send. This might say transfer out, depending on your app version. Step 2. You'll need the receiving address from Crypto.com. Fire up the Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, and select Matic. Copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Matic you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network details. In 2025, Matic is likely still on the Polygon network, so ensure that's selected to keep fees low. Step 4. Hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut security PIN or biometrics. You'll get a confirmation screen. Take a moment to verify everything before proceeding. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head over to Crypto.com and check your wallet to see when the Matic arrives. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, reach out to customer support on either platform. And that's it, you've successfully moved your Matic over. Remember, always stay safe in the crypto world by double-checking addresses and using secure connections. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.